Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Huawei Mate 30 Pro with a broken display, and this is our replacement part. So let's get right into it. So we haven't really shown you yet the broken Huawei Mate 30 Pro. This is our replacement display. David is just prepping it, removing all the tapes that might interfere with our reassembly later. And this is our broken unit. You have a white line at the middle, quite on the lower part. So we're just gonna fix it, replace it. First off, we're going to remove the back cover. This is, I think, aftermarket. I'm not sure of the stock configuration of this smartphone, but this looks out of place on this smartphone. This is bright orange, but I like it. We're going to remove it, slice through the adhesive, and put that to the side. And if I can infer, this is not the first time this smartphone has been fixed. So we have to remove all the screws at the back, then remove the cover for the main board. You have your wireless charging module on top, of course. I'm gonna slowly do that. Put that to the side, and we can now access the main board, the battery, and the daughter board. We're gonna detach all of them. You have seen the replacement display. It's got the housing component at the back of it. So all we need to do now is to remove everything here and transfer them to the new replacement display. Remove the daughter board. You have a massive battery on this P30 Pro. This is bonkers. Remove that one. Gonna remove. And the main board is not really gonna be removed in one piece. So we have removed the main camera array here. So the main board is in a C shape. You have a very thin part on the side, which is really scary when you try to remove it. Now we have a different colored replacement display and housing. And I think the last part that's gonna go out is the battery. Just gonna pull this adhesive tape and reuse that to the new display. So the last thing that we have removed from the old display is gonna be the first one to be installed, and around it we're gonna put everything back together. It's gonna be in reverse. So this is a main concern for me when you try to fix Huawei smartphones, is they tend to have more parts that you need to remove. So you have bits all over your table here, which is, I think, is gonna be best if left to the professionals. If you're gonna try to do this on your own, make sure you have a very experienced phone repairer. Make sure you're an experienced phone repairer, or you have someone to guide you, like a YouTube video or someone, actual technician that can guide you, because this is a lot of parts that needs to be tracked and you don't want to mess up your repair. Some smartphones don't really have this problem. In fact, Samsung devices, their flagship models, are really great in integrating parts into larger components. So when you try to remove them, try to replace the display, you don't need to remove them bit by bit, just like what we have here. But overall, the Huawei P is very capable. You can see the large battery. It can last throughout the day for sure. And the ease of replacing the display without any issues, I totally love that. Unlike iPhones, wherein when you replace a part, an error message will appear when you try to boot up the device, which is not really a good way to go. This one is now fixed. I'm just gonna have to put back some screws and test it out, see if it's working. So if you have a Huawei Mate 30 Pro, do yourself a favor and just head on to your local repair service technician. Just like what I've said, this is not for the enthusiast or the beginner. I think this is way too much work for one person without an extensive experience on phone repair. So, or you can also visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre and David will do the exact same thing to your Mate 30 Pro. Boot it up. Hopefully it works. That's a lot of work. And it does. So we're just gonna close it up. Thank you for joining, guys. If you have any questions regarding this repair or our rates, you can leave a comment down below. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. This is going to be a side-by-side on the before and after. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.